Now let's see that how we can install by compiling the source. You can download this one, which will give you cfMesh along with the original OpenFOAM code. And along with this, you should also download the third party zip file. So let's wait for this to download. We should also install some of the dependencies that are required for the installation. So for this, let's go to system requirements. Here you will see the system requirements, and then you can install those. This is given for 22.04, and make sure that you are at the current version as well. So here put your password, and after the completion of the previous command, copy paste the next command. So the download is also completed. So let's perform the next command as well. Just copy and paste. Similarly for this one. So you can type this command as well to see what is the output, whether MPI is installed or not. So you can see. So there is some conflicts. Make sure there are no conflicts, and you can install these as well, but these also will be installed through third party. So if everything is fine, then you can go to your third party folder. So you can perform this inside your Windows directory, so that your the source code will also be available to you. Go first unzip this. So to unzip a tar file, you should type this command. Now to unzip the OpenFOAM tar file. Once this is completed, check the version of your GCC. So this is 11.4. Here it is 11.3, which is required. So make sure also this is always as much as possible the same version. Then you can go to third party folder, and then first source the bash rc that is present in the OpenFOAM folder inside etc, and then here you run rwmake. So here use -j option, so that it uses all the codes to compile this. So this will take a lot of time, and once this is complete, you can go to OpenFOAM folder and again run the same command with -j. So once this is complete, and this should not give any errors. If there are any errors, you can write to support and we'll try to fix your problem. But most of the problems are solved over the internet, and you can use ChatGPT to fix your problem. This is straightforward. It should not create any problem.